Hi everyone. Now like Firefox, they have a new function. It's like edit your PDF file in Firefox. Just like go to any file like this. Okay, if you have a PDF file, you can open it. Then you can edit your PDF file here. So let's say I have a PDF file here. You can open it. Let's say this one. Open it with Firefox. Alright, now I have the file here. Then we can edit it. Just like put in your name. Let's say, alright. Okay, we can adjust it, and then the date. Right, and then like the selection here, maybe you can just take it like this, or just like this, or just cross it. Okay, and then your signature here, you can change the thickness. Okay, here like something, and then you can just sign. Wow. Okay, so that's all, and then just save it or print it. So this one is enable file 2, then I just save it. Next, I will just open it, the demo file 2. Okay, now you can view this is the file that we save it. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you.